Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use Cloud Code in CL. Cloud Code can be integrated into your continuous integration CI pipeline to automatically review code, analyze pull requests, and generate documentation and perform other development tasks whenever code changes are pushed to your repository. Now, what is a CI? CI or continuous integration is the process of automatically running checks whenever developers push code changes. A typical CI pipeline may run automated tests, check code quality, build the application, and deploy preview environments. By adding Cloud Code to the workflow, you can automate code reviews, documentation, generation, and project analysis. So now, how can we use it in CI? The common CI workflows are like this. One popular workflow is a pull request review. Whenever a developer opens a pull request, the CI pipeline starts cloud analysis, the changed files, Cloud generates a review summary, the team receives the feedback before merging. This provides an additional layer of review alongside human reviews. Now, you can also do it for documentation automation, security and quality checks, and the best practices for it in general are to keep tasks focused on specifics, limit analysis to changed files when possible, and combine cloud reviews with automated tests. Now, examples of CI scenarios are these. Teams commonly use Cloud Code in CI to review pull requests automatically, generate release notes, summarize commits, check documentation changes, and analyze architecture decisions and flag potential bugs before deployment. These tasks fit naturally into existing CI workflows and can save significant developer time. So in general, you could literally just use the Cloud Code in CI, so you always have this continuous integration, and the process is automatically running to check whenever developer push code changes. So whenever a file is updated, the actual code, Cloud Code is going to check it and review it for you. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next upcoming video.